Are you struggling to align your vertical sliders side by side in Flutter? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your UI elements don't behave the way you want them to. You want your sliders to be side by side, but they just stack on top of each other. This is a common issue, and I'm here to help you fix it. Here's the situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I align my vertical sliders side by side in Flutter?" They want to rotate the sliders so that users can drag the values from bottom to top. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. To understand the issue, we need to know that by default, Flutter's sliders are designed to be horizontal. To achieve the vertical alignment and rotation, we will need to use a combination of widgets and properties. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you enhance your Flutter UI even further. To achieve vertical sliders aligned side by side, the user should start by replacing the column widget with a row widget. This will allow the sliders to be positioned horizontally. Next, the user needs to rotate the sliders to make them vertical. This can be done by wrapping each slider in a rotated box widget, specifying a quarter turn. After that, the user should ensure that both sliders have the same value. This can be done by using a single variable for both sliders, which is already set up in the code. Finally, the user can adjust the spacing between the sliders for better visual appeal. This can be done by adding a size box widget between them. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? It's amazing how far we've come in UI design. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for creating vertical sliders side by side in Flutter is to use the Flutter X-Slider package. This package allows you to set the slider's axis to vertical, enabling users to drag values from bottom to top. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Experiment with different quarter turns in the rotated box to achieve various slider orientations. This can add a unique touch to your app. And there you have it. Your vertical sliders are now aligned side by side and ready for action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Flutter tips and tricks. Happy coding!